Finding the perfect glue gun can transform your DIY projects from frustrating disasters into creative masterpieces. Today, we're exploring the top 4 best glue guns that deliver professional results without breaking your budget. Mention affiliate links in description. Number 4. Cordless Electric Handheld Hot Glue Gun. What makes this glue gun stand out is its compatibility with various DeWalt 20 volts maximum and 18 volts lithium batteries. You'll appreciate how it transforms your existing battery collection into a versatile crafting powerhouse. The safety switch ensures you won't accidentally trigger the gun during storage or transport, giving you peace of mind during every project. It features a quick preheating system that gets you working faster than traditional plug-in models. The insulated no-drip nozzle means you won't waste glue or create messy work surfaces. Here's what really impressed us. The anti-scald design includes built-in overheating and low-voltage protection devices. The shell uses insulating silicone material, so you can work confidently without worrying about burns during extended crafting sessions. Number 3. Sackful Hot Melt Glue Gun. The standout feature here is the 50 watts/off/150 watts dual power switch. You can adjust the power output based on your specific project requirements, use 50 watts for delicate materials and switch to 150 watts for heavy-duty applications. This flexibility makes it perfect for both detailed craft work and serious industrial tasks. The pure copper nozzle ensures consistent heat distribution and long-lasting durability. Safety remains a top priority with built-in fuses that prevent overheating while maintaining constant temperature control. When it reaches certain temperatures, the protection system kicks in to prevent damage to both the tool and your projects. You'll love the rapid heating capability. Using high-tech PTC heating technology, it heats up instantly in just 2 minutes and melts glue sticks quickly even at lower temperatures. Number 2. Electric Goddess Cordless Hot Glue Gun. What sets this model apart is its aluminum nozzle construction, which provides superior heat conduction and durability compared to standard materials. The 18 volts rated voltage ensures you get consistent power output throughout your entire battery charge, so your projects maintain quality from start to finish. The customizable design means it can adapt to various user preferences and project requirements. This cordless design eliminates the frustration of working around power cords, especially in tight spaces or outdoor projects. You'll find it particularly useful for repairs in hard-to-reach areas where dragging extension cords becomes impractical. The anti-scald nozzle design protects you during extended use sessions, making it ideal for larger projects that require sustained operation. Number 1. Upgraded 100 watts Cordless Glue Gun from Makita. The game-changing feature is the LED digital display with temperature adjustment functionality. You can monitor the exact temperature and set precisely what you need for different glue stick types. The temperature range spans from 212 degrees Fahrenheit to 392 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you unprecedented control over your adhesive applications. This precision not only makes your work safer but also helps conserve battery power by using only the heat you actually need. The advanced 100-watt PTC heating system delivers incredible power output, allowing you to dispense large amounts of glue for extensive projects. Unlike lower-powered alternatives, this heavy-duty system handles demanding adhesive requirements without slowing down your workflow. The cordless design specifically targets complex work environments where mobility matters most. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.